Today I'll walk you through how to set up taskless reminders using Microsoft OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create effective reminders for your tasks so you can stay organized and on top of your responsibilities. First, let's get started by opening your OneNote app. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. OneNote is a powerful tool for managing your notes and tasks, and it's perfect for setting reminders. Next, navigate to the page where your task is listed. This is where you'll be adding your reminders, so make sure you have your tasks clearly outlined. Now click on the Home option located in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up various options that you can use to manage your notes and tasks effectively. Once you're in the Home menu, highlight the task you want to set a reminder for. This is an important step as it tells OneNote which task you want to focus on. After highlighting your task, look for the option to insert tags. This feature allows you to categorize and prioritize your tasks easily. Here's where it gets interesting. You can choose to add checkboxes to mark the task as completed. This visual cue can help you track your progress and keep you motivated. Next, on the drop-down menu, click on Remember for Later. This option will highlight your task, making it stand out. It serves as a gentle nudge that this task needs your attention. Once the task is highlighted, it will remind you that this task needs to be worked on. Think of it as a friendly reminder that helps you stay on track, similar to setting an alarm for an important appointment. And that's it. You've successfully set up taskless reminders in OneNote. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps remain the same, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment to get used to. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.